Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the company strategy. My name is Michael and these are my three partners, Whisker, Steven and Heather. These are the table of contents.
Walmart is a global chain of companies in the United States. It is the world's largest company in terms of turnover. Walmart has 8,500 stores in 15 countries around the world. Walmart's vision is to help people save money better. The first point is before defining the supplier, Walmart will have a comprehensive understanding of the supplier, fully understand the operation and the management status of the supplier, and put forward relevant suggestions so as to reduce the cost of the supplier, enable the supplier to operate at a low cost with Walmart, and establish a strategic partnership with the supplier. The second point is invest heavily to build a high-tech information processing system that helps reduce overall logistics costs and implement Walmart's business philosophy of saving costs. The third point is Walmart will open a fast and efficient logistic distribution center and form a strategic business circle in the central location of retail stores, which can shorten the transportation time and reduce transportation costs more quickly and effectively. The final point is Walmart adopts the method of compensation manufacturers to process products so that it can obtain fairly cheap goods. This can more effectively reduce costs.
Next one is Whole Foods. Whole Foods is a grocery store that sells only green foods and mostly in the United States, so its market is narrow. So a focused differentiation strategy is suitable for Whole Foods. Whole Foods is only sell natural healthy green foods, which is different from other supermarkets. Customers are willing to pay for green foods, which is a competitive advantage for Whole Foods. In recent years, with the improvement of people's living standard, people pay more attention to their health and are willing to pay for healthy food. Although the price of green food may be higher than ordinary food, people will accept it more easily because the quality of green food is better. Whole Foods is known for sell healthy and green food, and nearly every food in Whole Foods has a special story attached to it. Even the most common foods, such as tomato, are carefully placed in supermarkets. With this unique marketing strategy, Whole Foods has made considerable profits and is unique in the powerful foods industry.
Next one is Toyota and Lexus. Toyota is a well-known automobile company in Japan. Lexus is a high-end automobile brand owned by Toyota. However, Toyota and Lexus have moderate price, so a best cost price strategy is suitable for Toyota and Lexus. First point, different products have different target market segments, covering different target consumers, bringing more choice to consumers and satisfying consumer demand for different configurations. Second one, different brand of cars will have different price, which can better adapt to people's consumption level. Consumers of all classes can buy cars at the right price. Third one, Lexus is luxury sedans. Its competitors include BMW, Mercedes, and so on, but Lexus keeps its luxury and quality, while its cost is lower than that of its rival and its price is moderate, attracting more consumers.
Starbucks is an international coffee chain located in Seattle, USA. Starbucks Coffee is one of the world's largest companies with 22,000 stores in more than 15 countries. Starbucks offers the highest quality products, and Starbucks has an unclear marketing price. Product differentiation provides the world's best coffee grown product and survived by the best people, all of which must meet Starbucks standards. Service differentiation strategy. The core chain is through the theory and the skill of the employees to serve customers. Establishing employer mission train employers to become coffee lovers and introduce the behavior of each coffee product to customers. Personal differentiation study, Starbucks must employ people who are passionate about coffee. Starbucks pay more attention to one-to-one communication between employers and customers. Imagine different strategies. Starbucks, according to the local control different and the behavior of business circle. Starbucks placed great employers on story commission and scoring great appeal brand awareness and establishing brand awareness.
The last one is Southwest Airlines. Southwest is known as a budget airline. Its route is short, mainly to the United States. The market is relatively narrow, but is often low fare, reliable security, high frequency, and convenient flights. So a focused low-cost strategy is suitable for Southwest Airlines. Go for the low-price market with a huge potential and avoid head-to-head competition with American Airlines. Southwest operates only short and medium-haul, point-to-point flight with no long-haul on international flights, short time and intensive shift. Typically, if a passenger misses a Southwest flight, they can take a company's next one an hour later. Such a high frequency of flight reduces unit cost, which is a unique position for Southwest Airlines. When Southwest Airlines was established, it positioned its investment direction as a low-price ticket, which can keep flight safety and comfort. At the same time, people are willing to pay less but still enjoy good services. Although the customer population is relatively small, more and more customers are willing to take Southwest Airlines flights and the profit keep rising, which is an advantage. Since most airlines are now competing in the high-end market, Southwest Airlines has found its own position, focused on the low-price market, and it's easier to give play to its advantages. These are the references of our presentation. Thank you for watching.